I'm about to change the pre-filter in the air purifier in the bird's room, and thought you might like to see it. This is going to be tough because I got to do it one-handed. Oh, that was totally not what I wanted. Totally not what I wanted. And now you can see why. First of all, I have an air purifier. And second of all, why I changed the filter outside, even though I was stupid enough to drop it. So, anyone considering a parrot, you got lung issues, and you want an African Grey that picks, or hell, just a plain Cockatiel. I mean, the dander is just, it's crazy. I mean, it looks like it freaking snowed. Crazy.